Have you ever yearned for a city that whispers stories of bygone eras? A place where history and culture intertwine to create a captivating tapestry? Krakow, Poland is just such a place. A city that beckons travelers to delve beneath the surface and discover its hidden gems. From cobblestone streets echoing with the footsteps of kings to clandestine courtyards harboring bohemian cafes, Krakow's cultural secrets await those seeking an authentic and enriching experience. Krakow's allure lies not only in its grand landmarks, but also in its subtle details. The intricate carvings adorning centuries-old buildings, the vibrant flower boxes spilling onto narrow alleyways, the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting from family-run bakeries. It's a city best explored on foot, allowing time to soak in the ambience and stumble upon unexpected treasures. Whether you're drawn to the romance of medieval architecture, the vibrancy of traditional Polish folklore, or the allure of hidden courtyards brimming with artistic expression, Krakow offers a feast for the senses and a journey of discovery. Prepare to be captivated by Krakow's hidden gems, each one a testament to the city's enduring spirit and cultural richness. Join me as we embark on an exploration of Krakow's best-kept cultural secrets, uncovering the hidden stories and captivating traditions that make this city truly extraordinary. Have you ever yearned for a city that whispers stories of bygone eras? A place where history and culture intertwine to create a captivating tapestry? Krakow, Poland, is just such a place. From cobblestone streets echoing with the footsteps of kings to clandestine courtyards harboring bohemian cafes, Krakow's cultural secrets await those seeking an authentic and enriching experience. Krakow's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of royalty, resilience, and artistic brilliance. Once the royal capital of Poland, the city's legacy as a center of power and culture is evident in its grand architecture and captivating legends. Dominating the city skyline is Wawel Hill, home to the magnificent Wawel Castle, a sprawling complex of palaces, cathedrals, and courtyards that once housed Polish kings and queens. Stepping within its walls is like stepping back in time, with each room whispering tales of coronations, banquets, and political intrigue. Below Wawel Hill lies the heart of Krakow's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its remarkably preserved medieval layout. The Rynek Główny, Europe's largest medieval market square, is a bustling hub of activity, lined with colourful townhouses, charming cafes, and the iconic Cloth Hall, once a centre of international trade. It's in these historic spaces that Krakow's past comes alive, where the echoes of horse-drawn carriages and the murmur of merchants' conversations seem to linger in the air. Do you have any travel destination suggestions? Share them in the comments below. Beyond its historical grandeur, Krakow pulsates with a vibrant cultural scene that keeps traditions alive and celebrates the city's unique identity. From colourful festivals rooted in folklore to cherished customs passed down through generations, Krakow's cultural fabric is woven with threads of celebration, artistry, and a deep connection to its heritage. One of the most enchanting times to experience Krakow's cultural spirit is during its festive markets. The Christmas market in particular transforms the Rynek Główny into a winter wonderland, with wooden stalls overflowing with handcrafted ornaments, regional delicacies, and the aroma of spiced wine filling the air. Krakow's folklore is another integral part of its cultural tapestry. Legends of the Wawel dragon, said to have once terrorized the city before being outsmarted by a clever shoemaker, are still recounted today, with a fire-breathing dragon statue residing by the Vistula River as a reminder of the tale. These traditions, both ancient and modern, infuse Krakow with a sense of continuity and identity, reminding visitors and locals alike of the city's enduring spirit and the importance of preserving its cultural heritage. Beyond the well-trodden paths and iconic landmarks, Krakow holds a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. These lesser-known attractions offer a glimpse into the city's hidden corners and whispered stories, revealing a different facet of Krakow's multifaceted character. Tucked away behind unassuming doorways and within quiet courtyards lie secret gardens, tranquil oases of greenery amidst the bustling city. The Planty Park, a verdant ring encircling the old town, offers a respite from the urban landscape, while the Botanical Garden at Jagiellonian University showcases a diverse collection of flora from around the world. For those seeking a more adventurous exploration, the Wieliczka salt mine, located just outside Krakow, is a subterranean marvel. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features a labyrinth of tunnels, chambers, and even a cathedral carved entirely from salt, a testament to the artistry and ingenuity of the miners who once worked there. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into Krakow's lesser-known stories, inviting you to step off the beaten path and discover the city's hidden depths. The soul of a city, Krakow's enduring spirit. Krakow's true essence lies not only in its tangible treasures, but also in the intangible spirit that permeates its streets and resonates within its people. It's a city that has faced adversity with resilience, emerging from challenging chapters in its history with a renewed appreciation for its cultural heritage and an unwavering spirit of community. Having survived World War II relatively unscathed, Krakow's Old Town stands as a testament to the city's enduring spirit. The resilience of its people is palpable in the way they have preserved their traditions, embraced their history, and created a vibrant cultural landscape that celebrates both the past and the present. There's a palpable sense of pride in Krakow, a shared appreciation for the city's beauty, history, and cultural richness. It's a feeling that's contagious, drawing visitors into the fold and leaving them with a lasting impression of Krakow's indomitable spirit. Artistic encounters, bohemian cafes, and avant-garde galleries. Krakow's artistic spirit is as vibrant and multifaceted as its history, with a legacy of creativity that spans from medieval masterpieces to contemporary expressions. From bohemian cafes frequented by artists and intellectuals to avant-garde galleries showcasing cutting-edge works, Krakow's art scene offers a captivating blend of tradition and innovation. The city's bohemian heart beats strong in the Kazimierz district, once a Jewish quarter with a rich history and now a hub for artists, musicians, and free spirits. Here you'll find quirky cafes adorned with local artwork, jazz clubs reverberating with soulful melodies, and vintage shops overflowing with unique finds. For a taste of Krakow's contemporary art scene, the Mokak Museum of Contemporary Art in Krakow showcases thought-provoking exhibitions by Polish and international artists, while smaller galleries tucked away in the city's hidden corners offer a glimpse into the works of emerging talents. Whether you're drawn to the romanticism of Krakow's artistic past or the dynamism of its present, the city offers a wealth of opportunities to immerse yourself in its creative spirit. Culinary delights, a symphony of flavors. No exploration of Krakow's cultural landscape would be complete without savoring the city's culinary delights. From hearty traditional dishes to innovative modern cuisine, Krakow's food scene is a symphony of flavors that reflects the city's rich history and cultural influences. For a taste of authentic Polish cuisine, venture into one of Krakow's milk bars, a throwback to the communist era that offers simple, hearty fare at affordable prices. Here you can sample traditional dishes such as pierogi, dumplings filled with savory or sweet fillings, bigos, hunter's stew, and kielbasa, sausage. As the sun begins to set, follow the aroma of freshly baked bread to a local bakery and indulge in a warm obładzanek krakowski, a ring-shaped bread sprinkled with salt and sesame seeds, a beloved Krakowian snack. From traditional milk bars to upscale restaurants, Krakow's culinary scene offers a delectable journey of discovery for every palate. Krakow, after dark jazz clubs and literary haunts. As dusk descends upon Krakow, the city takes on a different ambience, with a vibrant nightlife scene that caters to a variety of tastes, from jazz enthusiasts to literature lovers. For a night immersed in music, head to the Kazimierz district, where jazz clubs come alive with the sounds of soulful melodies and improvisational riffs. These intimate venues offer a glimpse into Krakow's thriving jazz scene, a legacy that dates back to the post-war era. For a more literary experience, seek out one of Krakow's atmospheric pubs or cafes frequented by renowned Polish writers and poets. These literary haunts offer a glimpse into the city's intellectual and artistic heritage, where you can imagine the likes of Czesław Miłosz or Wisława Szymborska, finding inspiration over a glass of wine or a cup of coffee. Whether you're seeking a night of musical enchantment or a literary escape, Krakow After Dark offers a captivating blend of entertainment and cultural immersion. Discover your own Krakow, an invitation to explore. Krakow is a city best experienced firsthand, a place where every cobblestone street, hidden courtyard, and local encounter has the potential to unveil a new layer of its captivating story. As you wander through its historic streets, savor its culinary delights, and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, you'll discover that Krakow is more than just a destination. It's a journey of discovery. Don't just take my word for it. Embark on your own Krakowian adventure and uncover the city's hidden gems, create your own stories, and let the spirit of Krakow captivate your senses. To further fuel your wanderlust and support my work, consider subscribing to our channel and using the affiliate link provided below for your travel bookings. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the beauty of our world.